Hello everyone, myself Rohan Patil. I am from Government Engineering College Daman. Here I am presenting you PPT on Industry 4.0 and we will discuss on a topic of industrial revolution. Let's start. First of all, we will look at our agendas and it will as described. First is industrial revolution, fourth industrial revolution, building blocks of industry 4.0, potential industrial products implications, potential consumer products implication, and the last one, impact of industry 4.0. As we see, this is the historic grain chakki, and as we see, this is the kind of equipment which is used in our farm in some past years. And as we see, it's a modern technology grain mixer. And what is this? This is also kind of a grain mixer, but as the year passes, it will get revoluted. As we seen in a previous slide, it was a little complicated and a portable device. And in this slide, this is a kind of a big equipment on a big scale. It is used in our industries. Next slide. As we see on industrial evolution, end of the 18th century, as we see, introduction to mechanical production machine powered by water and steam. And then second industrial revolution, beginning of the 20th century, as we see, there is a production, mass production, lines powered by electric energy. Then the beginning of the 17th century, industrial revolution through the use of electronics and IT further progression in autonomous production. As we see, there is a kind of automatic robot which is helping mass production of electronics and IT. And then as we see today, industry revolution based on our cyber physical system like a portable system. As we see, we are handling many of physical system by our device, and this is the today's industrial revolution. And now we see phases of earlier three industrial revolution. First, 1760 to 1840. Second, 1870 to 1940, and the last one, 1960 to 2010. In 1760 to 1840, unshed in mechanical production, railways and steam engine. Second, 1870 to 1940, mass production, electricity and assembly line. And then the last one, computers, semiconductors, mainframe computing, personal devices and internet. As we see this, all this objective like iPhone, iPad, Kindle, 4G, Uber, Android, Oculus, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, all of these were not existing before 2006. Time to reach 100 million customers. Evolution of the desk as we see in this last slide. Telephone 75 years. Web web servers and all. It is about 7 years. Facebook 4 years. Instagram 2 years. Pokemon on go on 1 month as we see. This is about cyber physical system. As we see, there is information in the middle side of this diagram, and as we see upper side there is a computation, right side control and left side is communication. Let's see some deep information about this diagram. A cyber physical system is a system of a collaborating computational elements controlling physical entities. CPS are physical and unengineered systems whose operations are monitored, coordinated, controlled, and integrated by a computing and communication care. They allow us add capabilities to physical system by merging computing and communication with physical process. As we see in this slide, this is the today's factory, rigidly sequenced car manufactured on a production line. As we see, there are four diagrams: workstation 1, workstation 2, workstation 3, and workstation 4. These are the four stages of assembling a kind of a car. And in short, we will see that there are number of workstation to assemble kind of a production or to improve the production of any object. Tomorrow's factory, decoupled, fully flexible, and highly integrated manufacturing system. As we see, this is the kind of a complicated process which is used at high production line and high accuracy line. As we see, workstation A, workstation T, workstation O, and these all are not getting used manually. It is fully automatic and based on automation system. Building blocks of Industry 4.0, as we see, big data analysis, autonomous robots, simulation, horizontal and vertical system integration, industrial Internet of Things, cyber security, additive manufacturing, augmented reality, and big data analysis. Here is also about impacting of all aspect of value chain. These are some key objects of Industry 4.0 we will see, like asset management, machinery, enterprises, material, industrial communication and security, etc. And as we see, here is the real world digital chain. Digital enterprise value chain is digitalized and integrated. As we see, as the first stage, there is a product design. After that, production planning, production engineering, production, and at last, there are services. As we see, this is the graph of Amazon company. It is the graph about the robots working in Amazon from 2013 to 2016. As we see, at 2013, there was a rare usage of robots, or in other term, automation. Then the growth increases by the years, as we see after 2013, 14, 15, and at 2016, there is a big difference about these 3 years to 2 years. Impact. What kind of impact are based on Industrial 4.0 and that they get impacted by this, like economy, business, national and global, society, individual. Impact on growth, aging, productivity, employment, labor substitution, the nature of work. Impact on business, customer expectation, data enhanced products, collaborative innovation, new operating models. Impact on national and global government, countries, regions, cities, international security. In other hand, society, inequality, community, and also in other hand, the individual, identity, morality, ethics, human connection. Thank you very much.